हर हर महादेव। टुडे हम बात करेंगे अबाउट Tantra intimacy. What exactly is Tantra intimacy and the science beyond just physical gratification, physical pleasure and body touch. So Tantra, Tan means expansion, Ra means tool. So Tantra actually means threads, expansion through awareness. Tantra sees the whole body as divine, as a body, as our temple of where our soul resides, where Shiva and Shakti Tattva reside, where the union of Shiva and Shakti happens within a person. Shiva being the higher consciousness in our Shastradhara chakra, and Shakti, the ever movement energy, the dynamic force that pulsates through the whole universe, living in our root chakra, the Kundalini Shakti. So Tantra का हमेशा ये मार्ग होता है that the Shakti Tattva has to meet and unite with the Shiva consciousness within a person. Adi Shakti का मिलन with the Shiva Tattva. And Tantra can be practiced solo or with another being. Now Tantra के बहुत misconceptions होते हैं. बहुत लोगों को लगता है Tantra is just about sex. Sex is just one part of Tantra. Tantra is much beyond just physical pleasure. Tantra में कोई taboos नहीं होते हैं. सब कुछ sacred माना जाता है. ये किसी भी life path को reject नहीं करता. इसमें ये नहीं है कि ये करना है, वो करना है, this is bad, this is wrong. And sex को भी बहुत sacred माना जाता है because जिस चीज से पूरा ब्रह्मांड क्रिएट हुआ वो गलत कैसे हो सकता है. सो तंत्रा इज रियली मोर अबाउट एक्सपेंशन ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस, एक्सपेंशन ऑफ अवेयरनेस, यूजिंग योर बॉडी एंड यूजिंग लव एज सेक्रेड, मिलन ऑफ टू सोल्स. तंत्रा के बहुत बेनिफिट्स होते हैं. ये आपके नर्वस को इट कैन हेल्प इन नर्वस रेगुलेशन, इन इमोशनल रेगुलेशन, कैन मेक योर रिलेशनशिप्स वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. Even people practicing Tantra solo, it really helps to boost your confidence, to make you more calmer, get you in a higher meditative state and just raise your awareness and your consciousness. Tantra for solo practitioners. Tantra basically, whether you're doing it for solo or as a couple, Tantra is basically all about body movements, breath work, awareness, mantra. It's all about stillness, slowing down. It's about actually feeling each other's breath, connecting with the soul, not just the body. So इसमें बहुत सारे मंत्र होते हैं, breath work होता है, body movements होते हैं, बहुत सारा eye gazing होता है, बहुत slow process होता है जो आपको थोड़ा ठहराव लाता है. आपके relationships, marriages को बहुत strong कर सकता है. तंत्रिक इंटीमेसी. अब बहुत सारे डिफरेंट तंत्र मार्ग होते हैं. होता है भैरव और भैरवी साधना. उसके लिए गुरुजी आपको एक दीक्षा देते हैं टू प्रैक्टिस दैट भैरवी साधना. बट दिस इज समथिंग दैट एवरीडे कपल कैन प्रैक्टिस इट इन देयर डेली लाइफ. they can start with the breath work, they can do solo work, and ये आपको पूरा as a person also you feel very confident. For women who practice tantric intimacy with the self or with their partner, their aura expands, they get more in tune with their feminine nurturing nature, they get more intuitive, and the whole synchronicity balance कर देता है. masculine and feminine energy का एक बहुत equilibrium balance हो जाता है. so tantra is also, इसके पीछे एक बहुत बड़ी साइंस है कि why tantra, how it can really unite you with your inner Shiva and Shakti Tattva and with the other person. It's about equal surrendering. इसमें power play कुछ नहीं होता. इसमें both the divine feminine and the divine masculine meet at the same wavelength. It is a very divine procedure. So I would really urge people to people online discourses सुनते हैं, उनको एक ये वो होता है कि tantra means black magic or tantra is just about sex. Tantra doesn't tell you to have multiple partners. It tells you who you are with at that time. That person is your Shiv. That divine feminine is your Shakti. Tantra doesn't tell you to have polygamy or to have multiple partners. It is basically living that sacred journey through your divine feminine and divine masculine union. बहुत लोगों को एक चीज़ समझनी चाहिए कि तंत्रा इंटीमेसी आप एज अ कैजुअल हुकअप और कैजुअली नहीं प्रैक्टिस कर सकते. ये बहुत पावरफुल होता है, ये बहुत सीक्रेट होता है, एंड इसको यू कांट, everybody cannot be your tantric intimacy partner if you know what I mean. इस पूरे वीक हम बात करेंगे on tantra intimacy and we are going to break a lot of myths and talk about actually what is real tantra. We are also going to dive into the bhairavi sadhana because बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए ये बहुत mysterious होता है. So stay tuned, like, comment and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to walk this tantric journey with me. हर हर महादेव, जय मां आदि शक्ति.